how to sell crypto on Trust Wallet. So if you wish to sell your cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do is launch the Trust Wallet application and log into our account. If you have any kind of crypto asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana and so on, you decide that you want to sell it. Now to sell it, of course, after you launch the app, you can just go to this option that says sell right here. Then go to the sell option. Then over there you'll find different networks that you wish to sell using these networks. So if it's Bitcoin, just select Bitcoin, and if you do happen to have Bitcoin, you'll be able to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to sell. So depending upon how much Bitcoin that you have, either is in decimal form as well, you'll see if you have got that balance, then you can tap the sell option to place a selling order. And this way you can sell crypto on Trust Wallet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.